Hi everyone, this is Tanya with Herbal Soul, and I wanted to give a quick garden update, spring garden update. Here's one of my jalapeno peppers, and there's another one, and one more, actually two more, I got from a nursery, and they were tiny, and they're growing just wonderfully. So there's oregano and basil, which is what we use a lot for us and for the chickens and even my dog. So the oregano and basil is growing quite nicely. I'm excited about that. That's a tomato plant. It's a seed. I got some seeds, and I sowed them into the little pots. There's garlic right here that I planted in November. And there's a beets that I planted in November as well. There's lettuce, obviously, that's oak leaf lettuce. And seedlings are coming along, and that's a avocado pit that my husband started. There's some okra. I'm so excited. More tomatoes, seedlings. There's another batch of garlic that I planted back in November, and there's some onions. Yes, some onions. Hopefully they'll do okay. This here is cabbage. Yes, cabbage. That is growing really slow, but it's doing well. It survived the freeze. And I'm not quite sure. This is broccoli. I think I may end up feeding it to the chickens. I think there's some overcrowding there. That's another cabbage. Headed cabbage, and another beet that's growing nicely. So excited about that. That's my little garden bed, my little beginner garden bed. Rosemary. Yes, that one is doing great. This one, not so much. And more garlic that was planted in November, doing well. And here is lettuce, oak leaf lettuce, seedlings that are sprouting up. Very excited about that. We have some spinach that's sprouting up. And then there's these are collards, southern collards. These are our 5-pound grow bags. And yeah, I like them so far. And cucumbers, yes, coming along. I'm so excited about the cucumbers. Our neighbor gifted us these seeds, so they're gonna do well. And this is our little watermelon patch. Most of them are watermelon, different varieties, crimson, and I think there's a sugar baby. Here, this is echinacea, seeds that I got from Mountain Rose that they gifted me. There's more watermelon seeds, different varieties. Everything is sprouted except for the cantaloupe, so hopefully soon the cantaloupe will start to sprout out. Yeah, this is our watermelon patch. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Shalom.